During this section, I will show you how to create your CGG family tree.
Let's learn how to use the CGG Mark IIA template. Chinese Family Tree Maker. For the technically disinclined. Custom Chinese Genealogy Group (CGG) Family Tree Template. How to go from these CGG templates to these Chinese family tree scrolls. This is the CGG Mark IIA template we will be using. Warning: extremely important. Do not attempt to move, reposition, or resize the icons or connecting lines on this template. Doing so will cause corruption of the template format, resulting in distortion and misalignment of all the elements of the template. The only exception is that the picture boxes can be resized and repositioned. The CGG Mark IIA template, 2026, can accommodate 6 generations. Good for uncomplicated, relatively smaller families. Easy to use, and requires minimal PowerPoint skills. Limited size and flexibility. Cannot accommodate large, complex families. Excludes cousins, nephews, and nieces at the 5th and 6th generation levels. Cannot add, delete, or move icons and connecting lines. Headshot photos are smaller than CGG Mark IIA template. Use this template for average-sized, non-complex families. The template is centered around one key individual: siblings, the parents' generation, the grandparents' generation, great-grandparents, children, and grandchildren. The template does not include cousins, nephews, or nieces. You will be covering unused icons with a masking square at the end of the project. You cannot add any more icons, so the maximum number of family members on the tree is limited to what is on the template. Even though you cannot alter the actual template itself, there are some possible workarounds, involving creative copy and pasting, to accommodate special family situations. These techniques are too complicated to detail in this presentation. If you have special requirements, please contact me directly at magicdad@aol.com. This is an example of a completed CGG Mark IIA template. This is a close-up of the CGG Mark IIA template. The template is centered around one key individual: siblings, the parents' generation, the grandparents' generation, great-grandparents, children, and grandchildren. The template does not include cousins, nephews, or nieces. Also included on the template are masking squares to cover unneeded icons and lines at the end of the project, as well as additional connecting lines if needed. Here are some features of the CGG Mark IIA template. Each person on your family tree is represented by an icon. Each icon has 2 parts: a text box and a picture placeholder. Spouses are linked by an orange slash mark. Individuals are linked by black connector lines. There is a place to enter your English surname, as well as your Chinese surname character. There are additional connector lines if you need them. There are also masking squares to cover unneeded icons and lines at the end of your project. You will not be able to add any additional icons. You will not be moving or repositioning any icons or connecting lines. While the text boxes and connecting lines cannot be moved, repositioned or resized without disrupting the template, the picture box can be repositioned and resized. Prerequisites. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree scroll. There are 6 components used to create the CGG Mark IIA family tree scroll. 1. CGG Mark IIA PowerPoint template. 2. Names of family members, including Chinese names if available. 3. Headshot photos of family members. 4. Placeholder icon photos. 5. Masking squares. 6. Embellishments, including family photos, symbols, other icons. Steps. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree scroll. There are 5 steps to creating the CGG Mark IIA scroll after the PowerPoint template is downloaded. 1. Add names, including Chinese names, for 6 generations. 2. Customize text and text boxes for 6 generations. 3. Add photos for 6 generations, including using placeholder icons. 4. Mask unused icons and connecting lines. 5. Add embellishments.
Here is the template we will be using. There are 6 rows of generational icons, and a grand ancestor icon. Connecting lines and brackets have been included on the template for easier copying and pasting. The CGG icon, the heart of the system.
With the CGG icon, you can add all the names of your family, including Chinese names, customize the font and background colors to your preferences, and add photos of your family members. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree. How to use the icon. To add a name, click on the text box of an icon, highlight the existing text, and overwrite by typing in the desired name. To customize the name, highlight the text. Go to the font section of the Home tab. Then click bold, italics, or underline as desired. Instead of highlighting the text, you can also click on the border of the text box and then click bold, italics, or underline. To change the color of the font, go to the Font Color tab of the Font section. Then click and select the color font you wish. The size of the font will be adjusted automatically to fit inside the text box. How to use the icon. To change the text box, click on the text box, go to Format or Format Shape and click, go to Shape Fill and click. Then click on your selected color. To add a border, click Format, click on Shape Outline, and click on your selected border color. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree. Adding names. To add names to the template, start with the key individual. Click on his text box. Highlight the text and overwrite by typing in the name. Next, click on the spouse, highlight the text and type in her name. Do the same for the father and mother. Continue until all the names have been completed. Adding names. Completed. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree. Adding Chinese names. Click on the text box of the person you want to add the Chinese name to. Click on the location where the Chinese names folder is located. Open the folder and locate the name. Highlight the name, copy the name, and close the folder. Place the cursor in the text box where you want to place the Chinese name. Click on the Paste tab. Click Use Destination Style. The Chinese name will be inserted into the text box. Repeat for all individuals you have Chinese names for. Adding Chinese names. Completed. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree. Customizing names and text box. We will make all male family members text boxes, light blue, with black outline, black font, and bold print. Click text box of any male family member. Click Format. Click Shape Fill. Then click Selected Color. Click Shape Outline. Click Selected Color. Click Home tab. In the Font section, click Font Color tab, and select Color. Then click the Bold tab. Repeat the same process for all male family members. Customizing names and text box. We will make all female family members text boxes, light pink, with black outline, black font, and bold print. Use the same process and sequence as in the previous slide. Repeat the same process for all female family members. Customizing names and text box. We will make all spouses text boxes, white, with black outline, black font, and bold print. Use the same process and sequence as in the previous slide. Repeat the same process for all spouses. Customizing names and text box. Completed. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree. Adding photos. To add photos for family members, you will be exchanging the icon in the picture box with a portrait from your photo folder. To start, click on the picture box for your key individual. Go to Format and click. Go to Change Picture and click. Then click from a file. Go to your photo folder and click. Click the photo you wish to use and then click Insert. The photo will then replace the icon in the picture box. Use the same process to add photos for each individual. Adding photos. If someone does not have a portrait, you can use any one of the placeholder icons from the file you were provided with. Just choose a placeholder you like, and follow the same previous steps. Adding photos. Completed. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree. Masking unused icons and connectors. At this point, you are likely to have some leftover icons that you have not used yet. These unused icons are the ones in dark blue color. The icons and their connecting lines cannot be deleted. Doing so would cause the entire template to be missized and misaligned. The only way to eliminate the extra icons and lines is to cover them with one of the included adjustable masking boxes, outlined here. Masking unused icons and connectors. To begin the masking process, click on one of the masking boxes. Then make a copy of the masking box, either by duplicating it or by copying and pasting it. Click on the duplicated masking box and drag it to the icon you want covered. Adjust the size of the box by dragging the handles of the box until the icon is completely covered. Cover the remaining icons by making another copy of the masking box and repeating the same process until all the icons are covered. Masking unused icons and connectors. The next step is to remove the frame outlines of the masking boxes. While holding down the Control or Command key, click on the edge of each of the masking boxes. Then go to Shape Format and click. Click on Shape Outline, then click No Outline. The outline frames have now been removed. Masking unused icons and connectors. All of the icons have now been covered, but there are still some portions of connecting lines that still need to be covered. Masking unused icons and connectors. Cover the exposed connecting lines, using the same technique used in covering icons. Duplicate, position, and adjust the masking box, and proceed to cover all the affected connecting segments. Masking unused icons and connectors. Next, remove the outline frames from the masking boxes, as before. Click on the masking box borders. Click on Shape Format, click on Shape Outline, and click No Outline. Now that the masking is finished, the masking boxes and spare connecting lines can be deleted. Highlight each item, and hit the delete key to remove the items. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree. Masking unused icons and connectors. Completed. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree. The family name. Highlight the placeholder. Type in the family surname. To add your Chinese surname character to the scroll, locate the placeholder for the Chinese surname. Go to the file containing your Chinese names. Locate your Chinese surname character, highlight it. Then copy it. Then exit the file, and return to the template. Highlight the Chinese surname character placeholder. Go to the Paste tab, and click Keep Source Formatting. Go to the Font section. Click on the font, Microsoft Yahoo, bold, and font size, 28 points. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree. Adding embellishments. The final touches. Create a folder with photos, icons, symbols, and other important family images to add to the family tree scroll. Adding embellishments. To add pictures, go to the Insert tab, and click the Pictures tab. Click from a file. Open the file, where your images are located. Click to select an image. Hold down the Command or Control key while clicking to select multiple images. Click Insert, to add the images. Drag the image handle, to resize the image. Drag the images to fill the empty areas on the template. Feel free to be creative. These images are representative of your family history and heritage. Repeat the process to add additional images. Creating the CGG Mark IIA family tree. Adding embellishments. Completed.
You have now completed all the steps for creating your CGG family tree. Congratulations!